If you're growing plants indoors, this grow light is designed to provide full spectrum lighting that supports every stage of growth. It uses the balanced natural white light with added UV and infrared wavelengths to help encourage healthy growth and flowering.
Hello, this was shared with me so I can share it with you, and this is a set of plant lights. This is a 5000K plant light. It is a system of 4 different connected lights that you can connect or just leave them solo if you don't want to connect them. So I'm going to get this set up here. I'm going to be turning this here into a little nursery shelf for my young plants. And we're going to do that here with these lights. They can be used from anything from seedling to adult. It has all the phases and the light settings that you need to grow your plants. So let me get everything in here. We've got the bag with some tubing. We've got the electrical cords that are going to set up and connect them. And then we have this pamphlet here with the instructions on how to do this in your light settings for the plants you're trying to grow. This is going to show you your installation steps, which you can screw the lights into the top. So you can do that however you want to secure them so that the light is on top of where the plants are going to be. You can either screw them in or use a cable tie. So here is one of the lights. So we're going to be suspending it like that. And then here is the plug. It's just going to go right into the end like this. It looks like they are totally interchangeable, so it doesn't matter which side goes in which. And then here's your button to turn it on and off. And then here's your plug. So with this set, you're going to get 2 of these plugs. The plug that goes from there to there. You get 2 of those. Here's our second one. And then you also get cords. You get 3 cords that have the 2 ends that connect them together. So in the case I have here, I think they're all going to connect together for me. So I'm just only going to use 1 plug because I really only have 1 plug down there available. And they're all going to fit because this is kind of a smaller area. So I can run them all together. So let's get this. This will be my number 4. So we're just going to plug this one right in here like this. And this is going to go here. And I've already got this one. This is going to go here. And I'm just going to suspend them with a, so there we go. And I've got 2 that are going to be down here. And I'm just going to put those with zip ties, which again, it includes plenty of zip ties if you want to do that. It also includes these little metal clamps if you want to screw them directly into, if you had boards. Since I don't have boards, I'm not screwing them into the metal. So we're going to use zip ties for this. And then it also includes this clear tape here if you'd want to use that as well. But I am going to use the zip ties. I believe this is actually double-sided tape. So if you want to, if you had a longer strip that you could put this against, or if you had a plastic base. But in our case, we're going to use the zip ties because this is just a metal wire shelf. And here we're just attaching them with the zip ties. So we're going to have 2 on this shelf and 2 on that shelf. So here you can see the finished product. We have lights here, and we were able to put all of our the nursery plants here in that are growing, and there are different phases there. We can also start seedlings here. We can do all the things now with these 2 rows.
So you can see here, it's full spectrum lighting. You can use this from seed to harvest. It has a 6-watt output, 98 CRI. There is 1 cup per LED with no light leaks, no side scatter. You get a total of 70.8 inches of connecting cable and 27.5 inches of connecting cable. And each one is a foot long as far as each light is concerned. The 1 foot is 24 watts each. This has 1/16 optimized wavelengths, 420 nm to 730 nm, anchored at 5000K natural white with CRI greater than 80. Delivers a true full spectrum for steady photosynthesis, restrains leggy growth, and the IR accelerates budding and blooming. This is full spectrum for succulents, vegetables, herbs, and other indoor plants. You can do this from seed to harvest.
So check this out if you are looking for a light to set up a little nursery station or a grow station in your house or garage or wherever. So check it out. I put the link below.